going to be a huge shed slash barn find of some really cool vintage stuff. So far, this is what I got loaded up. Okay, it's a bunch of vintage bowling trophies. Tons of them. I still have tons more to load. Okay, we are going to go into the shed. And we got all those and all of these. These are undrilled vintage bowling balls, and they are going to be money. One of these, this one right here, I think sells for $300 or $140. Halfway loaded up. So vintage undrilled means that the bowling balls have never been drilled. They're basically brand new or new old stock. So I am loading these up. I'm creating some barriers right there so they don't slide around. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I mean, I always do really huge buys like this. I don't know what I was thinking.